In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pairs on MT4 PC. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left and click on View and then click on Symbols. In here you'll see all the different currency pairs or whatever pairs you actually want to add. Now of course you can just extend like the Forex folder or whatever folder you have. I'm inside my MetaQuotes demo account, so these are all the ones that are available. Now if any of these were for example disabled, they'd be grayed out like this. So to basically show them, you have to either double click or click on them and click on Show at the top right over here, and that's going to basically add those pairs to your market watch. Now what you can also do is right click on the market watch and click on Show All, and all of them should be shown. Okay, that's also one way to do this. Now if you want to add any other currency pairs which aren't in here inside your broker you're currently signed in, it means that that specific broker may not support the specific pair you are looking for. So if they don't support it, what you have to do is sign up for a different broker, log in or sign in into MT4 with that broker, and then when you do that, you should be able to find them under symbols over here. You'll be able to of course find the pairs as long as the broker supports it. So just go find them, click on Show, and you are good to go. If you want to show them on chart, you can right click a specific pair, click on the chart window, and there we go, there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.